Finally, preparation for the final exam. In the final exam, I'm going to ask you to answer 2 detailed essay questions. These are going to be essay questions that are going to require you to write a fair amount to answer all parts of the question. The first question that everybody's going to write about is going to be the application of the basic approaches to ethics that we studied in the first part of this course: consequentialist utilitarianism, deontology, and virtue ethics, to a chosen case study in a reading from the Jenny and Marcoux text, that text we used in the first half of the class that we did not read in the first half of the class. I'm going to give you some selections to think about that have to do with the notion of cyber ethics, the ethics of online activity and material, and some ethical problems that activity raises. I'm going to ask you to choose one of the short case studies in that reading and write an essay very much like the essay you wrote in the first half of the course, right? Where you apply consequentialism, you describe the basic ethical dilemma, the agents involved, and you then apply consequentialist utilitarianism to it, you apply deontology to it, you apply virtue ethics to it, then you give your solution to it, and you tell me which of the solutions, of the classical solutions, yours is most like and why. And if you disagree with some of those, why you think those other approaches are incorrect. To prepare for this question, go back and look at those PowerPoint slides from earlier in the course that tell you explicitly how to apply those particular approaches to an ethical dilemma. And think hard about your own solution to whichever one of these ethical dilemmas you choose, and write an essay that's very much like the essay you wrote for Test 1.